Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so you all are fine, good, enjoying the good conditions of your health and do very well. So today I am back again with another very stylish and amazing collection of summer wears floral midi dress design ideas for ladies and girls. So it's more than 100 plus design ideas of floral midi dresses today I have collected for you in this video. So must watch this video till the end for getting new ideas and new designs of midi dresses for your summer seasons. So you will find out A-line style midi dresses, umbrella style, belted styles, flare styles, different colors, different styles, different designs, amazing colors combinations and amazing stitching ideas of floral midi dresses. I love all these designs of dresses and I hope so that you will love these too. You will enjoy this video and you will enjoy these styles of dresses. So if you are looking for latest collection and latest design ideas of summer wears, floral dresses, floral midi dresses, so this video is really going to be helpful for you, very useful for you. You will carry these styles of dresses for your casual wear, for your summer party wears, for your daily work wears. You will be find our chiffon fabric dresses, you will be find our georgette fabric dresses, you will be find out silk style dresses and cotton fabric style dress design ideas, floral midi dresses, short frock style dresses, amazing neck designs and amazing sleeve design ideas for your dresses. You will be find out half sleeve designs, you will be find out full sleeve designs, sleeveless dress design ideas. I love all these designs of dresses and I hope so that you will love these too, dear ladies and girls. So must watch this video till the end for getting new ideas and new designs of dresses. And if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of midi dresses, so please, dear ladies and girls, please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. So please do share my video so that new people get new ideas and new designs. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of floral midi dresses and plain fabric midi dresses for ladies and girls for summer seasons, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so don't forget to share your opinions. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel. So you will find out party wear dresses, casual wear, formal wear dress design ideas for ladies and girls, mother of the bride dresses, top designs, blouse designs, shirt designs. So a lot of new ideas you will find out on my channel on daily basis. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs of dresses from those videos. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video, and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, and for more designs. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye.